Hi everyone, welcome to Fast Info Class, India's one-stop EdTech platform for spoken English, job preparation and specially designed coding curriculum for the young minds. At a starting price of rupees just 299, learners from every corner of country get industry standard guidance at their fingertips here. We have designed our prospectus in such a way that would facilitate the students no matter from which culture, language or socio-economic background they are from. At first, our faculties conduct a discussion with the students to understand their individual attributes. Here the guardians can be present as well to recognize the study flow in a better sense. Next, our team designed the class schedule based on the outcomes from the demo sessions and start conducting live classes on 1:1, 1:10 and groups. Our faculty members are known for their utmost care towards the students and providing an interactive learning experience over the courses. On a regular basis, we take care of the doubts and solving them in the live classes. Herewith, the industry standard faculties pay special attention to personality development and communication attributes to make our students prepared for their professional careers. As a primary goal of Fast Info Class is to make our alumni community a successful unit of different industries, we always make an effort to give a platform to them to make their dreams come true. Apart from professional training, our expert faculties pay special attention to the academic parts as well by providing them the updated study materials every time on the English literature, grammar lessons and many more. We offer a complete learning experience for our students. Following the pathways of India's leading entrepreneur Rajesh Kewat, Fast Info Class is dedicated to the countrymen to spread education to every remote corner of India through our easily accessible digital portal. We sense it's our responsibility to make India educated, enlightened and developed every day.
The journey of Fast Info Class, Government of India Startup India Certified EdTech Portal, started by following the pathways of our owner and founder Mr. Rajesh Kewat, who have utilized his past experience with Oxford, India and to spread education to the underprivileged sections of the country at a starting price of just Rs 299 per month.
Hi everyone, this is Proma Bhattacharjee. I just want to brief you about the journey of Fast Info Class. We have started in the month of April 2020 and today we have reached January 2021 and it was the brainchild of Mr. Rajesh Kewat, our MD sir, to bring this platform and make it available to each and every doorstep of India, because our mission and vision was very clear from the beginning. We just want to go ahead and reach out to each and every household of India with the benefits of teaching, knowledge and education. So thank you very much for your time. There are miles to go ahead.
I came to know about these classes. I joined the basic 3 months course and the results are amazing. That was like beyond my expectation.
My trainer was Tughina ma'am. She trained me very well. Whatever situations I need help, she helped me, trained me.
Arpan sir taught me very well. Thanks to Arpan sir, and he make a new Aparna, and thanks to Fast Info Class. Thank you all.